Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to join your sports club.
Sure, what are you interested in?
Swimming.
Well, we've got some membership options. They are 2 weeks, 2 months, and all year round. The fee is £10 per week.
I think that suits me.
That's perfect. I need to fill in your club card then. So, will you please give me some personal information?
Sure.
What's your name?
Adam. Adam Morris.
How do you spell your surname, please?
It's Morris.
How old are you?
17.
What's your home address?
12 Rose Street.
Do you have any brothers or sisters who would also like to join our club?
Yes, I have a brother. His name is Alex.
Thank you so much. That's all I needed.
Thank you. Bye.
Listen to the dialogue once again and repeat the phrases. The information about a person is called personal. Such information includes name, age, family, marital status. An etiquette dialogue includes phrases that we use to sound polite. These phrases are: excuse me. For example, excuse me, can you help me? Sorry. For example, sorry, I need to go there. Can I help you? For example, hello, can I help you? Pleased to meet you. For example, I was pleased to meet you. Thank you for coming. Can I offer you something? For example, can I offer you some coffee? I'm afraid I must go now. For example, my mom's called. I'm afraid I must go home now. Thank you. For example, thank you so much for your present. I really like it. Pronounce these phrases. Now let's have some practice.